Hi everybody, hi dear students. खूप दिवसांनी पुन्हा आपण एकमेकांना भेटतोय व्हिडिओमधून. तर आतापर्यंत जे काही आपण बेसिक गोष्टी बघितल्या त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला होतं की सिक्वेन्स अँड सिरीज. इन दॅट सिक्वेन्स अँड सिरीज वी हॅड ऑलरेडी नोन अबाउट दी AP, GP अँड HP. थोडंसं मी रिवाइज करतो आणि क्वेश्चन्स कसे विचारले जातात. जर तुमच्याकडे नवीन बुक असेल आता टेक्स्टबुक मॅथ्स सेकंड त्याच्यामधले जो काय एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत ते कशा पद्धतीने विचारले जाऊ शकतात थोडं आपण त्याच्यावरती चर्चा करू. म्हणजे तुम्ही घरी बसल्या तुमच्याकडे ते बुक असेल तर तुम्ही ते शांतपणे सॉल्व करू शकता. ठीक आहे. तर आपण फक्त ओव्हरलुक केलं होतं, काय आहे हे बघितलं होतं. आता थोडंसं आतमध्ये जाऊ आणि बघू की नेमके एक्झाम्पल्स कसे सॉल्व करायचे असतात. ठीक आहे. देन रिव्हिजन, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. AP is nothing but the difference between two consecutive terms is constant or equal or same. हो ना. तर मग आता इथं AP मध्ये आपल्याला A is the first term and D is equal to the difference between the two consecutive terms. Then Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Clear? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Next, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. Is that clear? Means we know that here we can find out the nth term, we can find out the sum of the nth terms here. Now, if you want to find out three consecutive terms in the given sequence that which will be AP, then we can have A minus a D, A and A plus a D. Four consecutive terms we can have here: A minus 3D, A minus a D, A plus a D and A plus 3D. Next, five consecutive terms. About this we can have here A minus a 2D, A minus a D, A plus a D and A plus twice a D. पण तुम्ही हे सगळं 10th मध्ये शिकलाय, त्याच्यावरचे एक्झाम्पल्स घेतले. तर आपण आता एक्झाम्पल घ्यायची गरज नाही आहे. मग आता आपण काय करायचं, नाव वी हॅव टू थिंक ऑफ दिस ज्योमॅट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन. ज्योमॅट्रिक प्रोग्रेशनच्या संदर्भात आपण बघूया. ज्योमॅट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन इज नथिंग बट दी रेशो, RATIO, रेशो बिटवीन द टू consecutive terms. The two consecutive term is constant. Correct? This is the constant. Then now, suppose A is the first term and R be the ratio. Then Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. A into R raised to n minus 1. Sn is equal to A in bracket R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1, whereas R is greater than 1. And Sn is equal to here A into 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R, whereas R is less than 1. Now we have to think of the consecutive terms in GP. Here we can find out the three consecutive terms in GP, such as A by R, A, AR. Four consecutive terms we can find out by using A upon R cube, A over R cube, or A upon R, AR and AR cube. Similarly, five consecutive terms we can find out by a upon r square, a upon r, ar and ar square. Now the exercise will be like this. Check whether the following sequences are GP. If so, write Tn. असा क्वेश्चन असू शकतो की दिलेला सिक्वेन्स हा GP आहे सांगा. Definition is very much important to find out, to check whether the given sequence is in GP. Now ratio between them we have to calculate, and then if that ratio is constant, then we can say that given sequence is a GP. Okay. Now first one is 2, 6, 18 and 54. 2, 6, 18 and 54. First, here T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 6, T3 is equal to 18. Now T2 upon T1 is equal to 6 upon 2, which is equal to 2 3s are 6. T3 upon T2 is equal to 18 by 6, which is equal to 3. Therefore, here T2 upon T1, which is equal to T3 upon T2. Therefore, the given sequence is in GP. Okay, the sequence is in GP. Now Tn, here A is equal to 2 and R is equal to 3. Therefore Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Tn is equal to A about A2 into 3 raised to n minus 1. This is your final answer. Now they will ask for 2 marks here. 1 mark for finding out the given, or to check whether the given sequence is in GP, and to find out the Tn for the 1 mark. असे 2 marks ला हे एक्झाम्पल पडू शकतं. नेक्स्ट 1 minus 5 25. Second, 1 minus 5 25 minus 125, comma, and so on. Here also we can find out. A is equal to 1, T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to minus 5, T3 is equal to 25, and T4 is equal to minus 125. T2 upon T1, which is equal to minus 5 upon 1, which is equal to minus 5. T3 upon T2, which is equal to 25 upon minus 5, which is equal to again minus 5, and T4 upon T3 is equal to minus 125 upon 25, which is again 25 5s are 125, but minus sign is there. Therefore T1 T2 upon T1, T3 upon T2, which is equal to T4 upon T3, which is equal to minus 5. Therefore the given sequence is in GP. Here A is equal to 1 and R is equal to, ratio is minus 5. Therefore Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Tn is equal to A1 R minus 5 raised to n minus 1. Tn is equal to minus 5 raised to n minus 1. अशा पद्धतीनं या ठिकाणी खूप महत्त्वाचं हे फाइंड आउट करू शकतो Tn and A and ratio. Similarly थर्ड वन समजते का बघा, सिंपल आहे, म्हणजे AP सारखंच तुम्ही GPचा फक्त रेशो फाइंड आउट करा By using formula, you can find out the Tn. Root 5, 1 by root 5, 1 upon 5 root 5, comma 1 upon 25 root 5, and so on. Here T1 is equal to root 5, T2 is equal to 1 by root 5, T3 is equal to 1 by 5 root 5. Then T2 upon T1 is equal to 1 upon root 5 upon root 5, which is equal to 1 upon root 5 into, this is nothing but we can take as the reciprocal of this root 5 by 1, we can take as the reciprocal and multiply to this numerator. Then we have here under root 5 into under root 5, that is 5. This is first one. Similarly, T3 by T2 is equal to 1 by 5 root 5 divided by 1 by root 5, which is equal to 1 upon 5 root 5 into root 5 by 1. Root 5 get cancelled, 1 upon 5. This is nothing but T3 by T2. From 1 and 2 we have here T2 by T1, which is equal to T3 by T2, which is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, the given sequence is in GP. Here A is equal to root 5 and R is equal to 1 by root 5. Therefore, Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Therefore, Tn is equal to A, that is root 5, into R is nothing but 1 by root 5 raised to n minus 1. This is your final answer. Clear? You got this? K आणि याच्यावरती चाललंय आता सध्या. Now, homework for you. Write down the homework here. Same question. Then I will give you the sequence. The sequences. First, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fifth one, 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. This is for homework. This is for homework. For the GP, the next question will be here. For GP, if R is equal to 1 by 3 and A is equal to 9, then find T7. Now see, we know the A and R. Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Tn is equal to T7. N is nothing but 7 here. T7 is equal to A 9 in bracket 1 by 3 raised to 7 minus 1. T7 is A into R raised to n minus 1. N is nothing but 7. 9 into 1 by 3 raised to 6. T7 is equal to 3 square into 1 upon. This is nothing but 9. 9 means 3 square. 1 upon 3 raised to 6. T7 is equal to 3 raised to 2 minus 6, which is equal to 3 raised to minus 6. T7 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to 4, which is equal to 1 upon 81. This is your final answer, 1 upon 81. Now, T7 is equal to 1 upon 50. Clear? Are you about this? Now, the second question will be here. A is equal to 7 by 243. A is equal to 7 by 243. If A is equal to 7 by 243, comma, and R is equal to 3, then find T6. Now Tn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. T6 is equal to a 7 by 243 into r 3 raised to 6 minus 1. Now 7 upon 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 5. See, 243 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 into 3. 9 9s are 81 into 3. 243 is nothing but 3 raised to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5 can cancel. Remains only 7 here. Therefore, T6 is nothing but 7. खूप सिंपल आहे. त्या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला फक्त हे पावर्स माहीत पाहिजे कशा पद्धतीने येते, मग तुम्हाला आन्सर चटकन मिळेल. होमवर्क फॉर यू. R is equal to -3 if and T6 sorry हा मी सॉल्व करून देतो कारण आता परत क्वेश्चन चेंज झाला. ए फाइंड आउट करायला सांगितलं, फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड आउट करायला सांगितले. वी नो दॅट Tn is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. सोल्यूशन मध्ये असं असेल. what Tn means T6 is given. T6 is equal to a into r raised to 5. Why? Because 6 minus 1 is 5. Here T6 is nothing but 1701 which is equal to a into r, that is minus 3 raised to 5. 1701 is equal to a into minus 243. 1701 upon 243 minus which is equal to a here. Now 7 2 are 14. 7 for the 28. 7 3 are 21. 7 3 are 21. Remaining 3. Now 3 8s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Remaining to 3 6 are 18. Remaining to 3 7s. 7 na 3 27 27 3s are 81. 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 8s are 3 9s are 189 upon 27. A is equal to 189 upon 27. A is equal to 3 9s are 3 6s are 3 3s are. A is equal to A 7s are. That means 243 into 7 is nothing but 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30, 7 2s are 40 plus 3 70. That means A is equal to 7. Okay, clear? How to find out? By using again Tn is equal to. Then the homework for you here. Homework. If A is equal to 2 by 3 and T6 is equal to 162, then R is equal to how much? This is for homework. For what values of x? Next, for what values of x determines 4 by 3 x 4 by 27 are in GP. Now these are in GP. Therefore we know that the ratio between the two consecutive term is constant. X upon 4 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 27 upon x. Now x square is equal to 4 by 3 into 4 by 27. Therefore x square is equal to 16 upon 81, whereas x is equal to 4 by 9. X is equal to 4 by 9 here. Okay. If 4 by 9 is there, then we can have this all terms are in GP. Okay. Next. For the sequence, if for the sequence Tn is equal to 5 raised to n minus 3 upon 2 raised to n minus 3, show that the sequence is a GP. Find its first term and the common ratio. That means we have to find here A and R. What is given? Tn is equal to solution. Tn is equal to 5 raised to n minus 3 upon 2 raised to n minus 3. Now we have to find out T1, T2 and T3. T1 is equal to 5 raised to 1 minus 3 upon 2 raised to 1 minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to minus 2 upon 4 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2. Now here 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 2 असं लिहू आणि 5 raised to 2 positive, which is equal to 4 by 25. T2 is equal to 5 raised to 2 minus 3 upon 2 raised to 2 minus 3, 5 raised to minus 1 upon 2 raised to minus 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 1, 2, 5 raised to 1, 5. T3 is equal to T3, 5 raised to 3 minus 3 upon 2 raised to 3 minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 0 upon 2 raised to 0, which is equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. Now, T1, T2, T3. Now see what will be the A and R. Here we got A, T1 is nothing but 4 by 25, but T2 upon T1, which is equal to 2 by 5 upon 4 by 25, is equal to 2 by 5 into 25 by 4. 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5 5s are 25, which is equal to 5 by 2. Or T3 by T2, which is equal to T3 1 upon 2 by 5, which is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 4 by 25 and R is equal to 5 by 2. This is the final answer. A is equal to 4 by 25 and R is equal to 5 by 2. Similarly, here, given that find the three numbers in GP. Find the three numbers in GP. Find three numbers in GP such that their sum is 21 and sum of their squares is 189. Now we come to this point, three consecutive terms here. Solution let A upon R, A R be the three numbers. Firstly, consecutive terms. Three terms in GP. There. Find three numbers in GP such that their sum is 21. A upon R plus A plus AR is equal to 21. This is first. And second, sum of their squares is A189. A square upon R square plus A square plus A square R square is equal to 180. And this is second. Therefore, A upon R plus A plus AR whole bracket square is equal to 21 whole bracket square. Now, this will be A plus B plus C whole bracket square. A square plus B square plus C square plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times of AB, A into A square by R plus 2 times of BC, A square R plus 2 times of AC, RR cancel, A square plus A square which is equal to plus 2 times of A square which is equal to 21 square. 21 square 481. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 4, 2 twos are 4, 441. Correct na? 441. Now see, A square upon R square plus A square R square is equal to 189. This is nothing but 189 plus 2 common in bracket. A square upon R, A square upon R plus A square R plus B square 441. Times of A square by R plus A square R plus A square which is equal to 441 minus 189. 2 times of A square by R plus A square R plus A square which is equal to 260. दोन्ही डिवाइड करायचं ना. A square by R plus A square R plus A square is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 2 1s are. Okay. Now taking out common A square in bracket 1 upon R plus 1 181. If the three terms in GP such that sum is 21, sum of the squares is 189. Sum is 21. Sum of squares. Sum squares. A square by R square plus A square R square plus twice A square R. A square by R plus A square R. Clear. Now we can think of this, taking out common here, 21 by a common, 1 by r plus 1 plus a, 1 by r plus 1 plus r is nothing but 21 by a, 21 by a, which is equal to 181. Here a cancel, 21 a is equal to 181, a is equal to 181 upon 21, a is equal to 441 minus 189. Sorry, 252, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remaining 1, 2, 6 means here we have to write down 126, 126, 126, 126, 21 6 are 126, means we got here a is equal to 6, a is equal to 6. Now we have to find out the value of r. Therefore a in bracket 1 by r plus 1, which is equal to a in bracket 1 by r 1 plus that is equal to 21. 6 in bracket 1 upon r, otherwise we can take here 6 by r plus 6 6r is equal to 20. Now multiplying third by r, 6 plus 6r plus 6r square which is equal to 21. 6r square plus 6r minus 15 is equal to 0. 21 minus 21 plus 6 minus 15. 15 6 are 90. Then what about this? 3 2s are plus 3 2s are minus 3 5s are 0. 5 2s are 10. Again b square minus 4ac, 4 plus or minus under root, sorry, b square minus b plus or minus under b square minus 4ac, minus minus getting plus 4a, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 upon 5a, which is equal to r. Therefore here r will be r is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root 44 upon 4. R is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 11 4s are 2 under root 11 upon 4. R is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root 11 upon 2. Here we have to find out the value of 189.6. Two point one 2.1 here value will be correct answer. A is equal to 6. What about R then? R will multiply. Oh, sorry. We have to multiply, covered by R, then we have here, we got here, बघा आपल्याला इथे काय मिळाला, multiplying covered by R, 21R. Now 6R square minus 15R plus 6 is equal to 0. 3 2s are 3 5s are plus 3 2s are 0. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 2R square minus 4R minus R plus 2 equal to 0. Here twice R is common, here R minus 2, minus 1 common, R minus 2 which is equal to 0. Here R minus 2 in bracket, 2R minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore here R minus 2 equal to 0, therefore R is equal to 2. And 2R minus 1 equal to 0, therefore R is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find out the three numbers here. A is equal to, A upon R is equal to 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. A which is equal to 6, and AR is equal to 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. 12 by 6 to 6 by 3, 2, correct? Then next, A upon R is equal to 6 upon 1 by 2, which is equal to 12. A is equal to 6, and A into R, which is equal to 6 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore the three numbers are 3 6 12 or 12 6 3. These are the numbers. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. इथपर्यंत आपण बघूयात. त्याच्यानंतर पुढे 4th आणि 5th टर्म्स, 4 टर्म्स अँड 5 टर्म्स तुम्हाला काढायचे आहेत. यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट. त्याचा मी मला एक्झाम्पल्स लिहून देईन आणि त्याच्यानंतर बाकीचे काही एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत त्या पद्धतीने आपण बघत राहू.